industry ako where I get to help busy people grow their money. Some of you ay nagtatanong kung saan maganda mag-invest. Kami na kasing investments ngayon, pero I need to know kung ano yung i-consider mo na maganda para sa'yo. I'll just give you some factors that you need to consider sa pag-i-invest. Number one factor that you need to consider is money. Magkano yung kaya mong i-invest? May mga investment na 100 pesos lang yung start, 1,000, 10,000, 500,000, or 1 million. And number two that you need to consider is ano yung goal mo? Bakit ka nag-i-invest? Is it because to grow your money to buy a house? Or is it to get a passive income monthly? Number three is time frame. Gaano mo siya katagal bago mo siya withdrawin? Personally, kasi pag sinabi mo sa akin na let's say 5 years pa, some of the investment na ilalagay ko sa higher risk, high potential return kind of investment. And then kapag malapit na sa deadline, medyo nasa-switch na siya sa more conservative kind of investment. Number four that we need to check is risk and profit. So, lagi nating nakakalimutan yung risk. So, kailangan lagi nating isipin risk and profit. Risk first, profit second. So, madali lang naman siyang makita. I-check mo lang yung website ng pag-i-investan mo, makikita mo yung annual risk nun and annual profit or return. Number five that you need to check is charges. So, ano ba siya? Net assets na ba siya? Or may asset management fee? Or magkano yung kanyang withholding tax? You also need to consider kung ano yung time and knowledge that you can allot for you to grow your money.